कटिया मिट्टी तो जग चानन होया. A very good morning to respected PY coordinator Payal ma'am, Salka ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today all of us had gathered here to celebrate a very special occasion, Gurupurab, which was on 27 November 2023.
Let us begin by acknowledging the significance of this day. Now, the students of class 5th C would like to present a divine Shabad.
Father share the thought of the day.
तू कर अरदास बाबे नानक ने कुछ तो सोचा होगा तेरे लिए खास. This means don't give up hope. Baba Nanak must have thought something special for you.
We all have to know what's going around the world. Now, my friends, Gurupurab, Gauransh, and Zizraj would like to share today's headlines.
Allow visa-free entry to Chinese and Indian nationals. More hostages to be freed in Gaza, Israel says.
All 41 workers trapped in Uttarakhand tunnel evacuated after 17 days. PM Modi said it's an example of humanity and teamwork. Uttarakhand CM announces rupees 50,000 for rescuers who evacuated 41 workers.
Smart Wonder School, Sector 71, Mohali. The school organized a visit to Gurudwara Singh Sabha for the students of Foundation Year to celebrate the auspicious occasion of Gurupurab. Annual function Quest for the Royal Air held on 25th November 2023. Students showed kaleidoscope of talent.
Deeper into the life and teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So, I would like to call my friends to share some fact about Guru Nanak Dev Ji.
Founder of Sikhism. He was the first guru of the 10 Sikh gurus. Dev Ji was the founder of Sikhism. He was the first guru of the 10 Sikh gurus.
Guru Nanak Jayanti means the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born on 15th April 1469 at Rai Bhoidi, Talwandi.
Rai Bhoidi Talwandi is now known as Nankana Sahib in Lahore, which is situated in Pakistan. Thank you.
His father's name was Kalyan Das Bedi, also known as Kalu Mehta by his friend, and his mother's name was Tripta Devi. He also had an elder sister named Vibhinanti. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was married to Sulakshmi Devi at the age of 18. They have two sons named Shri Chand and Lakshmi Chand.
Guru Nanak Ji started Langar. Langar is a special demonstration with community kitchen where everyone is welcome to share a meal regardless of their background.
According to Nanak Shahi calendar, Guru Nanak Ji was born on 15 April 1469. However, some Sikh communities hold the belief that Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born on the full moon day of Kartik that falls between October and November. So we celebrate Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday in November. Thank you.
So क्यों मंदा आखिर जित जम्मे राजान.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji said this: we should not treat women inferior as from her kings are born. He gave equal rights to women.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji's teachings can be summarized as: there is one God, God is without form or gender, everyone has access to God. A good and holy life is a life lived within a community through honesty and care for others. Religious rituals and superstitions are without value.
On this day, a team of holy singers sings hymns in praise of Guruji.
Thank you for enlightening us with this information. Let's make this topic crystal clear by watching a short video.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born in 1469 in Talwandi, now in Pakistan, known as Nankana Sahib. The name of his father was Mehta Kalu and that of his mother Tripta. Mehta Kalu was a revenue official. Guru Nanak was innocent and gentle from the very childhood. While children of his age engaged in playing and making fun and merry, he would sit long in meditation in a corner of the house. He was also not interested in studies in school. Once, Mehta Kalu, after consulting his wife, told Nanak, "Now you are a grown-up boy. We want that you should stand on your legs. These are 20 rupees. Take this amount and invest it in some profitable business. I expect you to earn profit by fair means." Nanak took the money and left home. He came across a grove. There he saw some sadhus sitting in posture and lost in meditation. They seemed to be indifferent to the world. Nanak remembered his father's words to invest the money in some profitable business. He at once left for the nearby village and bought fruits and sweets for the sadhus. He gave fruits and sweets to the sadhus to eat. The sadhus had not eaten any food for a couple of days. They ate it and blessed Nanak. He bowed his head to them in reverence and returned home. When his father came to know that his son had spent his hard-earned money for sadhus, he became angry. He slapped his son. Nanak innocently said to his father, "Father, you had instructed me to invest money in some profitable business. What other business might be profitable than this?" To create feelings in Nanak, his father married him with Sulakhna, daughter of Multhan, a resident of Batala. Nanak and Sulakhna enjoyed a married life for 6 years. During this period, they had 2 sons. But Nanak was not interested in worldliness like a common man. He spent most of his time in meditation. He used to say, "I live in meditation. Without that, I would die." Once Nanak was staying in the house of a poor carpenter named Lala. He used to serve Guru Nanak dry chapati with sauce. Guruji would eat it happily. A Brahmin named Malik Bhagu of the same place performed a religious sacrifice followed by a dinner. Along with many people of his caste, he also invited Guru Nanak to the grand dinner. Though unwilling, he went to attend the dinner as he was invited many times. Malik Bhagu said, "Guruji, you are born in a Khatri family. Is it right on your part to eat and stay in the house of a Shudra and participate in a religious dinner?" Lala was standing behind Guruji. Guru Nanak took the dry chapati from Lala in one hand and kachori from Malik Bhagu in the other hand. Guruji squeezed dry chapati and kachori. Milk oozed out of the dry chapati and blood out of the kachori. All were stunned to see it. Guruji said, "The chapati of Lala contains the milk of hard and honest labor with pure heart. The kachori of rich man contains the blood of the poor and is not earned with hard labor and honest heart." In the last days of his life, Guruji stayed at Kartarpur for 3 years. On 22nd September 1539, his soul reached the Supreme God. Guru Nanak was the first Guru of Sikh religion. Even today, the teachings of Guru Nanak lead the human beings to the right path.
Wow, what an informative video it was. I hope you all so enjoyed the video. Now my friend Tanaz will share a short poem.
There is one God. He is the supreme truth. He, the creator, is without fear and without hate. He, the Almighty, pervades the universe. He is not born nor die, nor does he die to be born again. By his grace shall thou worship him. Thank you.
That by now you all have learned a lot about Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So let's do a recall and recollect.
What was the name of Guru Nanak Dev Ji's parents?
Does anyone want to answer this question?
Nanak.
What was his parents' name? Mother's and father's name. Anyone else? Very good. Correct answer. Can you please spell the right answer again?
It's Mehta Kalu and mother name Tirtha Devi.
Okay. Next question, please.
When was Guru Nanak Dev Ji born? And April 15.
15th April 1469 is the correct answer. Clap for him, please.
Okay, so then why we celebrating his birthday in November?
If he was born in April, then why do we celebrate his birthday in November?
Because some Sikh communities also thought that Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday falls between October and November, so we celebrated with November.
Excellent, correct answer. Some Sikh communities believe that he was born on the full moon of the lunar month that falls between October to November. So we celebrate his birthday in November. Thank you.
Where was Guruji born?
So might have mic
Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born in Lahore.
Anyone else, please?
Rai हुई थी तलवंडी.
Excellent, it's correct.
What were the names of two Guru Nanak Dev Ji's sons?
Guru Nanak Dev Ji's son's name. Anywhere from you?
Lakshmi, the son of Guru Nanak Dev Ji's sons were Lakshmi.
Thank you, sit down. Anyone else from here? Yes.
Lakshmi and Chand Ji.
Yubir, can you please tell the answer?
Sri Chand and Lakshmi Chand.
Sri Chand and Lakshmi Chand. You were
What
quite
is-
near to the answer. Yes,
What
next
is the
question.
name of community lunch in served in the Gurudwara?
Which community started the Langar Seva in Gurdwaras? Sikh communities. Is the right answer, Yubi?
Langar.
That you asked a different question. She is correct. Please clap for her. Next question, please. Is there any other question? Okay. Thank you, everyone.
This round was very informative for you all. Let's call them whose birthday falls in this week between 27 November to 3rd December.
My name is Gurupurab and my birthday falls on 29 November. My name is Mustakar and my birthday falls on 30 November. My name is Zara Sidhu and my birthday falls on 3rd December. My name is David Wani and my birthday falls on 1st December. My name is Zarnam Singh Khandpur. I study in class 3D and my birthday is on 30th November.
With a thankful heart, I would like to call our worthy Sarika ma'am on stage to say some kind words to motivate us.
Ma'am will speak. Call her. Say the line again with my.
With a thankful heart, I would like to call our worthy Payal ma'am on stage to say some kind words to motivate us.
Everyone, welcome Sarika ma'am. Good morning, children. And I must say it was a delightful start of the day. Do you all agree? Yes. With such a beautiful shabad that was sung by 5C. Very well done, children. Let's give them a big hand. And as you know, they hardly got any time for practice. Still, they pulled through very well. So Sonia ma'am, the credit goes to you. Well done. Once again, we can clap for 5C. And Sonia ma'am and Jaideep sir for the Shabad. So the Shabad said, Kar Kirpa Tere Gun Gawa. What is the meaning? Please share your thoughts. What is the meaning? The learning. Yes, Shorty.
Ma'am, this means that we will do the prayer of the God and you shall give us blessings.
Very well said. Let's give him a big hand. So, the Shabad, the first line, it means that we must be singing praises because God is giving us so many blessings all the time. Isn't it? Yes. So, in short, what does it mean? We need to be grateful. Are we grateful? Yes. So we must be grateful for every little thing that God gives us. And He will shower more blessings on you. Because we can't sing praises all throughout. So a very simple thing is just be grateful. So it's a beautiful day today. We should be grateful. We are sitting here starting the day with such a beautiful prayer. And of course the day will be very good ahead. So all of you have a wonderful day. And of course, today we wanted to extend this assembly, but because of shortage of time, we'll extend it the next time. So all of you have been really wonderful audience. So a big round of applause for the audience who are well disciplined. So thank you once again everyone for being here. Thank you for joining us. Right, thank you.
Respect for our nation. I request all of you to stand upright for the national anthem. Dhruv, please come up on the stage and give the command.
Standardy school. Standardy. School attention. School standardies. School attention. Get ready for the national anthem.